Good morning. Today we'll start with the inverse proportion or the indirect variation. Inverse proportion is the reciprocal of direct proportion, right? If one thing is increasing, the second is decreasing, or if one is decreasing and second is decreasing. Like speed and time. If my speed is 40 km per hour, I take 5 hours to reach. If my speed is 80 km per hour, then I'll take 2.5 hours. So that is, if the speed is increasing, then the time is decreasing. So the formula in this is x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. So first of all, we'll check the sums where x and y is given. xy, it is 6, 24, 3 and 48, 36 and 4 and 72 and 2 and 16 and 9. So x1 into y1, first is 6 into 24 should be equal to 3 into 48 should be equal to 36 into 4 should be equal to 72 into 2 is equal to 16 into 9, and all are equal to 144. Therefore it is in inverse proportion. Second sum, we have to find the missing value. Missing value is x and y. It is 12 and 8, 16 and a, and b and 4, and c and 16, and 48 and d. Find the value of A, B, C, D, A, B, C and D if they are in inverse proportion. When they are in inverse proportion, that means x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y. 12 into 8 equal to 16 into a. So a will be 12 into 8 by 16 to a will be 6. Then second is 16 into 6 is equal to b into 4. So b is equal to 16 into 6 by 4, that is 24. Third, b, 24 into 4 is equal to c into 16. So c is equal to 24 into 4 by 16, again equal to 6. And fourth is 6 into 16 is equal to 48 into d. So d is equal to 6 into 16 by 48, 3. This will be example 3 is if 45 men can, if the 45 men can complete the work in 49 days, then how many men will complete the work in how many days? 35 men will take. So less men, more days. So less men, more days. So x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. 45 into 49 is equal to 35 into x. X is equal to 45 into 49 by 35, 5 nines are 5 sevens are 7s are, so 63 days they need to complete the work. Example 4. Example 4 is if 14 workers can build the wall in 45 hours. Worker days. 45 workers, 14 workers can complete this in 45 hours. More hours, less workers. So it is indirect variation. So x1 y1 is equal to y2 x2 into y2. 45 into 14 is equal to x into 35. X is equal to 14 into 45 by 35. 2s are 5s are 9s are. So answer will be 18 hours. Example 5. 6 pipes can fill 6 pipes can fill the tank in 1 hour 24 minutes, meaning by 6 pipes can fill in 84 minutes. Find the time taken by 7 pipes to fill the tank. So x less pipes more pipes less time. More pipes less time. So x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. 8 into 84 is equal to 7 into x. X is equal to 8 into 84 by 7. 7 6 pipes. So 72. Example 6. Example 6 says 30 men has provision for food for 90 days. After 20 days, 50 men left. So how long would the food last at same rate? Earlier they were 300 men and food was last for 90 days. But what happened that after 20 days, there are 300 men, food for last for 70 days. Now 50 men left, 250 and x. So less men, more days. Let's understand again. 300 men, they have eaten food for 20 days. So now 300 men, the food will last for 70 days. 250. So 300 into 70 by 250 is equal to x. This is cancelled. This is 12. So it will be 84 days. Try to solve every sum. If you have any problem, please call me, or I'll make you understand in next class. Thank you very much.